promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you. And he hasn't, and never will.
Jordan, you're so cute.
Woo-wee, there she is. My God, so yeah. So I actually got her back like last week. The video I shot, my last video, was actually a little outdated. It just took me forever to finally like figure out how to upload it. Not really figure out how to upload it, just edit it. I'm new to all this, so I'm still figuring it out. But there she is. She's back. My God, does she look good. Yeah, she still looks amazing. She's been sitting in the garage though, since the weather's just been trash, but just sitting in the garage, she got a little dusty. I don't really want to touch it. So, you definitely see it on the trunk. She's like, I mean, the paint looks amazing. She's super dusty, so hit up the gym, hit up the wash, and then hopefully I got enough sunlight left to take some beauty shots of her. I'll get back to you once we get to it. Alright, y'all. Good. Focus. Alright, y'all. So, haircut secured. And I'm going to hurry up and give her a rinse before the sun goes down, because it's getting pretty close and I really want to get some beauty shots of her. But like I said, she's real dusty, so here we go.
And it goes a little something like
here she is. My 2004 E46 M3. Bumper sagging like crazy, I need to fix that. But yeah, here she is. Lowdown of her. Honestly, mods, I really just got BC Coils, DS series, and some pretty freaking light raised Gramlights, 57 Transcends. If I'm not mistaken, it's plus 25 all, 9.5 plus 25 all around. I gotta run a 12 mil spacer in the rear because I like it tight, but it's still not where I want it to be. Still got some suspension tweaks to do. Oh, and I got adjustable camber arms in the rear. AC Schnitzer axle back. And what else? I'm trying to think. Ooh, some rev shift, rear trailing arm bushings that I got to do. Actually, I still haven't done them because they're not terrible, but I don't know. It's just something I want to do since I'm going to replace the rear trailing arm bracket for that bushing. I'm getting one with more adjustment so I could get rid of all the negative camber in the rear. But yeah, she's sick. She's stock, like all stock motor wise. I'm trying to think. All stock. I got some active auto work headers I gotta install, which video coming soon on that because I actually finally got the O2 extenders, which I've been waiting on because I don't want to throw everything together, get a check engine light, and then later on I have to pull it apart again. I just want to throw everything together the first time, not have to worry about anything. So yeah, just waiting on those O2 extensions, which actually should be here like today. So yeah, as soon as I get those, I might tackle this little project, make this girl scream. Oh, and forgot to mention some AR20 resonators. I got 2 AR20 resonators, which I wanted to install at the same time that I installed the headers, just so I won't sound crazy raspy, because these things love to do that. But this is my prized possession right here. This thing is sick. I've never owned or been in a funner car. Okay, there was one time I rode in a boosted E30, which was pretty fun, but it wasn't mine. This is mine. This is mine. And she looks sick. Just look at her.